Hey, I'm Gerald. Thank you for tuning in to my YouTube video today. And I'll be showing you how to make money from YouTube without creating any videos. So now, if you are looking to make money online, tips and tricks, unleashing your outrageous excellence, well, you want to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it to subscribe to my channel right now so that every time when I upload my videos, you will get a notification. So right now, let me go in and show you how do we make money. Now the first thing is you want to work on a channel or to basically what you want to create in this YouTube without making videos is to get into a certain niche. And what you can do start to do is to do some market survey, okay, some survey, some marketing research. And what you can do is to come to google.com and type top hobbies. All right, and you can see when I type top hobbies, and these are all the hobbies that are coming out. Okay, and so today for an example, I'm going to show you more. I've chosen cooking. All right, so when you go to YouTube, okay, and when you type in cooking, so there's a lot of videos that actually shot out. Okay, and the question lies at how do we make money on YouTube without creating videos? And it is through this thing called, when you go under filter, you want to go to features and click on this thing called Creative Commons. Basically, Creative Commons means is videos that somebody might have already uh, created, and they allow you to actually copy and share it. Okay, so by doing that, okay, so you also can do another filter which is called view count, because you want to download a certain videos that it has very high views. Okay, and yeah, so here let me choose maybe one video called cooking Thanksgiving food. Okay, so when you click on this, just a moment while we let it load.
This was me right after.
Okay, and when you click on show more under the title, how do you know that if they already allow you to download and allow you to re-upload is here? You see this? This is the license that I was mentioning just now. Creative Commons Attribution License, reuse allowed. Aha! So the word is reuse allowed. So if this is the video that you would like to download and upload, okay, um how do we download the video? So that's the next question. How do we download it? Okay, so actually you need to use, I highly recommend you to use Firefox instead of Google Chrome, because in Google Chrome doesn't really allow you to download the videos. Okay, so what you need to do is go to this Firefox. I'll leave a link down at the below of the title later on, and then you need to download another plugin for this Firefox. It's called Easy YouTube Video Downloader Express. Okay, and I will also leave this link in the title later on. And what it really does is after you install it, okay, you can see here in this video, okay, there is a button here for you to download the video. So then now it makes downloading video very easy. Okay, so once after you have downloaded the video, all you need to do is go back to your YouTube channel and upload this video, because it allows you to download and upload. Okay, but what the trick is, you need to create a very different we call it the YouTube thumbnails. And how do we do that? Okay, so I would recommend you to use this software called Canva. And once you log into Canva, at the search bar here, you can type in YouTube, and there is called YouTube channel art. And the other one is YouTube thumbnail, right? So you click on the YouTube thumbnail, And this is where you can start to create a different you see, so you have food YouTube thumbnail here as well. So you can use any of these thumbnails to create these templates, so-called templates, to create the thumbnails. Okay, so for example here I can choose this, very easy to use, Canva. Okay, and what was the topic? It's called cooking thanks giving food. Okay, so here I can change cooking. Oh, the text is a bit huge, no problem, just edit it. Cooking thanks giving food. All right, so then you can save this by clicking download here, and it will download this as your YouTube thumbnail, and you can upload it. And you want to sometimes be very creative with whatever niche that you are doing. For example, maybe if you are into motor cars, okay, and when you're into motor cars, one of the hottest topic is how do I polish my car, and you want to create a very curiosity thumbnail, and you can say like how you are waxing or polishing your car the wrong way, and with a big question mark. Okay, and then it will attract people to come and watch the videos that you have uploaded. So with this is how you can actually make money doing on YouTube without creating any videos. So you can even download and keep on finding these kinds of videos uh, and upload it 2 times, 3 times a day. Okay, so I hope you like this. And this is not how I make money online, right? And if you want to see how I make money online, for my #1 recommendation, check out the link in my link comment, and see you on the next video.